Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Sagittarius! Welcome back to my channel. And sa mga bago sa channel na ito, ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. And welcome sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Using Oracle and Tarot decks, babasahan ko kayo ng inyong love reading for this week. Okay, so sa lahat ng Sagittarius dyan, kaway-kaway. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is I'll pull a card from this deck for the overall energy of the reading. Tapos itong tarot na bago for the details. And ito namang oracle deck, magpupull ako dito for the advice from the universe. Okay, so sana mag-resonate itong reading na to. Just a reminder, if hindi mag-resonate itong reading, huwag niyong pilitin. It only means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to, at abangan niyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang collective reading. Sige, without further ado, simulan na natin. So, ano bang kaganapan ngayong February 9 to 15? So, linggo ng mga puso. Tignan natin. So, na-pre-shuffle ko naman na ito. So, balasahin ko lang siya. So, February ngayon, I'll pull the second card. Release the creative genius. So, anong sinasabi nito? Release the creative genius. Okay. Unload the weight and fly to the sky. Diba? So, there are free men with the spirit of a slave and slaves whose spirit is full of freedom. He who is true to his inner self is a free man, while he whose entire life is merely a stage for what is good and beautiful in the eyes of others is a slave. It's a quote from Isaac Cook. So, reflection. As a human being, you possess a creative potential beyond what can be measured by known standards. It is a power greater than you can imagine. You can use this power to go where there is no clear path. If you have not made the most of your creative potential, it may be that you are not surrendering to the higher energy that is inherent in you. To find the path, follow the currents that flow through you in the fullness of love. Look within for the path to joyful living, not outside yourself. No one can create or even help you create the life of your dreams. You are the one and only creator in your life. Take a chance and express your unique ideas and inspiration to make changes for achieving your desires. Go beyond conventional terms in the more conservative way of doing things. Lose the fear of being wrong. And don't throw your gifts of creativity away on a life of mediocrity. You will achieve a life of success when you focus everything you have on your creative power. And your mantra would be, I have been created to create. From now on, every day I will find something creative to do with my life. Okay, so, ang sinasabi nito, lalo na when it comes to love reading, is don't make yourself nga, like yung quote, a stage for what is good and beautiful in the eyes of others. Dapat para sa'yo. Diba? Gawin mo yung mga bagay, lalo na when it comes to love, na gawin mo siya para sa'yo. Okay? Diba? And it's very important to love yourself first para you have the capacity to love others, or you have more than, kapag mahal mo yung sarili mo kasi, you know that kompleto ka na, diba? And yung love na meron ka or yung love na paparating are just bonus na lang sa buhay mo. And you don't have to really also be a people pleaser then. Okay? So, do something dahil gusto mo nga siya, hindi dahil gusto siya ng iba. Okay? Or do something that will make you happy. Diba? And not doing something to make other people happy. Good din naman yun. Pero di ba, parang kung ginagawa mo yung isang bagay na para sa ikasasaya ng iba pero hindi mo kinasasaya, di ba? Hindi siya tama. Okay, and tingnan natin ano yung how it relates to your love reading this week. Okay? So, na-pre-shuffle ko na rin to. So, tingnan natin mga Sagittarius dyan. Ano ba? Yung ganap ngayong linggo ng mga puso. Okay? So, second card. Ten of Swords. Ayan nyo. The Temperance. The Hierophant. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. Death card. Ace of Swords. Okay. And Eight of Cups. Okay. Huwag kayong kabahan sa Death card. May meaning yan. Na mas maintindihan nyo kung bakit siya lumabas. Okay? So, nag-start yung reading nyo sa Ten of Swords and nag-end siya sa Eight of Cups. Okay? So, alright, so this week, okay, so Ten of Swords, okay, so Ten of Swords is a card of, there's an ending when it comes to love, diba? And I can sense na may mga bagay nga na gusto mo nang tumiwalag. Okay, kasi yung ito yung na-feel kong energy from the Oracle card. Okay, sinasabi nga nito na gawin mo yung bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, hindi para sa ikasasaya ng iba, lalo na kung hindi mo na siya ikinasasaya. So I sense this, that there will be an ending when it comes to the relationship. Okay, and since diba? And you will be at peace after that. However, there will be parang itatry nyo magkaroon ng reconciliation because that's what both of you think you should do. Diba? Susubukan nyo siya kasi lalo na si Hierophant is a part of like conformity. So with what the society or what the people around you would say, baka sinasabi ng mga kaibigan, hindi, ayusin nyo pa, try nyo pang ayusin. Pero I can sense na parang hindi na siya, it's not really working for you. Diba? Parang nasisense ko na hindi ka na rin talaga masaya dun sa situation. So, and ayun na, parang susubukan nyo pa Susubukan nyo pa na magkaroon ng reconciliation and mag-commit pa rin sa isa't isa and to try to invest again on this relationship. However, okay, if gagawin mo yun, alam mo sa sarili mo na baka ma-stuck ka sa situation and feeling mo parang hindi mo na alam yung gagawin mo. Okay? So, I can sense really that this one will eventually end. Okay? However, in every ending, there's a new beginning. Okay? And that new beginning will, alam mo yun, parang, this ending will help you find the truth. Truth about you, truth about this person, truth about what happened in the relationship. Okay? And from there, diba, you will have more clarity and will allow you na mas ma-let go yung situation. Okay? So, Eight of Cups is a card of letting go and walking away. Okay? So that mapunta ka na din sa better situation. Okay? So, this may be a parang, alam mo yun, lalo na linggo ng mga puso. Okay? And again, if hindi ito nag-resonate sa inyo, huwag niyong pilitin. Okay? Hindi siya as happy as what you may expect. But I know, based sa energy or sa nasagap yung reading na to, na alam mo naman nasa sarili mo din na ayaw mo na. Diba? Huwag mo nang pilitin pa. And again, piliin mo yung bagay na ikasasaya mo at hindi sa ikasasaya ng iba. Okay? And nakikita naman dito na parang talagang hindi mo na gusto din yung posisyon, yung kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon between you and your person. And it's really time to walk away, because once you walk away, it will lead you to something better in your life. And magiging mas at peace ka once ma-let go mo tong bagay na to. And in every ending, there's always a new beginning. So kaya dito tingin mo, kahit dito sa from the Death card, which is a card of transformation and rebirth. So from an ending, there's always a new beginning, and nasupportahan pa siya ni Ace of Swords, which is the start of something better, something new, something that will provide you a breakthrough when it comes to love. Okay? So, let's see what's the advice of the universe para sa inyo. Okay? Nangatun natin para mas makita nyo yung cards. Okay. Yeah. Nahulog yung iba. Okay. Second card. Let's see. Memory. Yeah, everything will so magiging isa na lang siyang memory in your life. And yeah, I hope that you keep the happy memories and let go of the not so happy ones, para once na mag-move forward ka na, it will give you peace. Diba? Huwag mo nang i-keep pa yung mga sad moments, at huwag ka magkaroon ng grudges, because it's just really part of this life, diba? Okay? So, don't worry. Again, in every ending, there's always a new beginning, and be excited to see it soon. So, I hope this resonates, and I hope this would be a guidance, a guide for you to really do what will make you happy, or choose what will make you happy. Okay? So maraming salamat. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno, at kita-kits sa susunod na collective reading. Okay? Ingat!